Is it oh, it's recording. Okay. Took a little while. Okay, I'm away from my frame here. So we have to go by all this gorgeous stuff here. And find out where the camera is. Lay it right there. So far it's looking pretty good. I hope the sound is as good too. Okay, I couldn't read this tag before. LED lantern. I don't know how this thing focuses. Let's see here. If I bring it up, imported by, oh, Greenbrier. Yeah, that's a good focus there. But here we are now. Let's see if it knows. Folks, you see the battery outlines there? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And if I go up here, it will focus the battery plus minus. What we've done here is we've removed the battery contacts were here and here, and we've got a negative contact here which we're going to remove. And to do that, there's a post that goes through the battery holder. We're going to have to re-drill a hole here. And you can do that with any old drill you got that'll make a small, maybe 1/8 of an inch hole. And there's a spike on this. We're going to unsolder it, and it'll fit through there and hole right in there. Then you'll have your positive lead already going through, and we'll have a new negative lead. We got to pull the wires off the back of this, but to do that we have to pull this apart. And I'm going to see now this. You see how it's doing? I don't know if you can tell on the video. Whoops, see daisy. But you've got to get in there, and I might have to pry around with a screwdriver to get this lined up right. But you've got to cut a plastic rod that comes up through here. I was able on the last one I did to get in this little slot here and get in there with a cutter and just snap that plastic rod. It wasn't too hard to do. But then this will come apart. I've tried every other way. I imagine you could drill down through here if you wanted to, because that's where that rod anchors. Sometime I may try that. I may try. You'd have to use almost a 1/4 inch drill, but that would loosen the head on this thing. What I did when I was putting the other one back together, I used not super glue, but hot melt glue. These are little things. You can take these off. They come off very easily. They just unhook like that, and they go in that little hole. Those are easy to remove. Get them out of your way. This one has the little knob. It's off, on bright, and then on dim. The dim, it comes up bright first, and then it comes up dim. All right, let's see. Now I can tell I'm in focus here. This is the knob. I'm looking at the object itself. I'm prying around here. Let me take these off of here. They're getting in the way here. Don't need them right now. Here's one of my soldering irons. This 5-volt. It was wobbling around, so I put some epoxy, something. Oh, it was a ribbon type material, repair material. You mix it together, and it sets. Something like JB Weld, and I was able to use that, mend it, kind of a thing. And what we got to do is get in there with a tool, and you can tell that iron is not on because I'm grabbing the tip there. Okay, now I'm messing around here. I want to see how the sound is as I mess around. Now you can see this, maybe. You can see that column is out of place as I've been wrenching it around. But you've got to get a tool in there and chop that shaft. All right, we're gonna quit right here.